When a baby is born, we want to give them only the very best. This complete 32-piece baby essentials set meets every need of your little one. Complete with baby bottles, a powdered milk divider, bottle rack, nail care set, clothing, skincare and hygiene items, and much more, 32 essentials in total. Just one purchase is all you need to care for your little one from newborn to age 3. Special offer. Order now and receive a free Gentle Formula bottle cleanser, baby brush and comb set, medicine feeding set, and a BPA-free silicone teether as a bonus. From 32 items to 36, unbeatable value in a single purchase that covers all your needs. Every product is free from parabens and BPA, ensuring safety for your little one. Each item has its own usage and storage instructions, so please read the manual carefully before use. Packed with features that care for every detail to ensure your baby's safety. Order now here. Discover more products here or through the link below the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our new content.